David Pugh joins me now. He is a technology analyst with ID TechEx. So let's talk about ID TechEx and what it's doing with IoT in the automotive industry.
So as a company, our job is to identify what the key trends are in emerging technology and how that's affecting different industries. And the automotive industry is one that's really embracing technology at the moment. And we can see a lot happening with connected vehicles, with autonomous vehicles, and the Internet of Things is kind of the business plan that's driving that change. And Internet of Things is all about connecting different sensors to parts of a vehicle so that the vehicle can talk to other vehicles, can talk to a central cloud service, can talk to infrastructure in the city. And we're identifying the key roles that this technology is going to play in the coming years and how it's going to affect how we drive and how we move around cities.
And why is that so important?
So it's kind of a couple of different avenues that we're going down. One is predictive maintenance. So when a car breaks down, what part of the problem is that our vehicle is out of action for a week or two at the garage. What IoT is doing is it's enabling sensors to be attached to every part of the vehicle, which can then monitor how well your brake pads are doing, how well the tire pressure is coping. And as any sort of change in the vehicle is happening, as the vehicle can detect something's about to fail, it can alert the driver, it can alert a garage, it can alert a mechanic, so that the amount of time you're without your vehicle is limited to a few hours. So as your brake pads are failing, the car can contact the brake pad company, it can order the correct part, it can tell the mechanic that your brake pads are about to fail, and the whole process of getting your vehicle back up to standards can be fixed in a few hours.
Wow, I look forward to that.
It's going to be a great new way to get around.
Definitely. Talk about SAE a bit for a second and how it's helping you and why you come.
So SAE is great because we can meet our clients, we can find out what's going on, we can also see the new innovations that companies are bringing to the forefront. We can see how people are embracing technology and how they're using that in their vehicles, and often that's in surprising ways. Obviously the big story from SAE is with automotive vehicles, but automation is also coming into delivery robots, it's also coming into drones, and there's so many other things that you don't necessarily think about, and it's great that we can come to these sort of events and see what all the key players in the market are doing and how they're embracing technology.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for sitting down with us this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Have the best time.